Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check your flight status using your flight number in the LATAM Airlines application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the three lines at the top of the page on the right. And then click on the flight status button. And as you can see at the search a flight section, you can select if you want to search by route or by flight number. So just click on the one that you want to use. And then just type in your flight number. And then the flight date, and then just click on the search button, and if you have your flight number, then your flight will be there. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.